Many high chairs at restaurants around the world aren't the safest or the most comfortable. The best travel high chairs simplify feeding time and make sure your baby is safe and comfortable. While safety is a huge deal when it comes to baby products, there are several other things you should consider before purchasing a travel high chair. There are many products available to choose from: best travel high chair and booster seats, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel high chair and booster seats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fisher-Price Spacesaver High Chair. The Fisher-Price Spacesaver High Chair is considered the best high chair for travel because it gives you all the features of a full-size high chair in half the space. The chair is customizable to your child's comfort, as it has 3 recline positions and 2 height adjustments. The seat and tray are dishwasher safe, and the seat pad is machine washable. The deep dish tray helps prevent food from being knocked onto the floor. The chair has a 5-point safety harness and can fit on most restaurant chairs. The 8-pound Fisher-Price Spacesaver High Chair measures 22x22x18.9 and is sure to keep your baby safe and comfy. Number 2. Cozy Cover Easy Seat Portable High Chair. Whether you're heading down the street to a friend's house or out to eat in Barcelona, the Cozy Cover Easy Seat Portable High Chair makes it easy to take your baby along. All you have to do is slide the high chair over the top of a regular chair and secure it with one click. The 5-point safety harness keeps your baby secure with just 2 more clicks of the shoulder straps. The 5.3-ounce chair measures 8x1.5x6 and can fit in a large purse or duffel bag. The Cozy Cover Easy Seat Portable High Chair is machine washable and includes a carrying bag to make traveling with a high chair easier than ever. Number 3. Chow Baby Portable High Chair for Travel. This foldable high chair is lightweight and locks into place quickly when you have a squirmy child. The Chow Baby Portable High Chair for Travel measures 23x23x32, weighs 7.4 pounds, and can hold a child up to 35 pounds. It has a 5-point safety harness and is made from durable nylon that can be easily cleaned. The cup holder is included with the chair along with a convenient bag to make transportation easier. The Chow Baby Portable High Chair for Travel is perfect for families who are always on the move. Number 4. The First Years On-the-Go Booster Seat. If you're in the market for the best travel high chair booster seat, your search can end with the First Years On-the-Go Booster Seat. This full-size booster seat inflates and has an adjustable height of up to 4 inches. It's suitable for children 9 months and older who are still under 50 pounds. There's an adjustable safety belt with a tier string to keep kids secure. Once mealtime is over and the 1-pound high chair deflates, you can grab it by the carrying handle to store it wherever is convenient. The First Years On-the-Go Booster Seat is a great option for an on-the-go high chair. Number 5. Hiccapop Omniboost Travel Booster Seat with Tray. The Hiccapop Omniboost Travel Booster Seat with Tray is one of the best baby high chairs for any occasion. The chair can be used on the ground, or it can be used to turn any chair into a high chair. For increased stability, the chair has removable duck feet that help distribute weight and increase stability on uneven surfaces. The seat has a 3-point safety harness that has a 1-hand latch release and an ergonomic design. The tray is dishwasher safe, and the cover is machine washable. It weighs 4.19 pounds and includes a carrying bag. The Hiccapop Omniboost Travel Booster Seat with Tray is the ideal chair whether you're at the beach, in the park, or at a restaurant. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.